Now, the today's topic are special topics of gynec. So, group of cases I had put 3 to 4 cases that you are going to see in your day-to-day practice. So that's why we had put special topics. First is premenstrual syndrome, PMS उसको बोलते हैं. तो what is that? What is PMS? It's a psychoneuroendocrine disorder of unknown etiology, often noticed prior to menstruation. So ऐसे कई लेडीज आपको देखने को मिलती है that have lots of symptoms before the menstruation. So they may consider it as a weakness आ गई है ऐसा है, but it's basically a psychosomatic disorder occurring prior to menstruation is termed as PMS. It is not related to any pathology. The symptoms free period during the rest of the cycle. Typical characteristics, the symptoms will start just 10 days prior, 8 to 10 days prior to menstruation. Rest of the cycle is symptom free. Then the pathophysiology. Why this happening? It's because of altered estrogen to progesterone ratio or decreased progesterone value, decreased serotonin during luteal phase, and it may be associated with psychological and psychosocial factors. So, patient may present to you of the PMS. Mainly, the age group is 30 to 45 years. The main affected group for developing PMS are 30 to 45 years of the age group. The patient present to you with abdominal bloating, breast tenderness, swelling in extremities, weight gain prior to menstruation. Rest में irritation, irritability, mood swing, forgetfulness, tiredness, anger, headache, confusion, fatigue, etc. So they are present with this vague complaint. So how will you manage? Assurance, yoga, meditation and stress management. Soaked 5 to 6 almonds. Chew in the morning. Start 15 days prior to the menstruation. This is a treatment published in a very scientific good paper. So in the almonds, there are some phytonutrients are there that helpful to alleviate this PMS. So along with medication advised to chew 5 to 6 soaked almonds, remove her cover and then chew in the morning. Ideally start just before 15 days of the cycle, or it may can eat daily. If there is so much behavioral disturbance, mood changes, then fluoxetine 20 milligram at a bedtime. Severe, then oral contraceptive pills for 3 to 6 months also give rise to the results. The most common drug available in the सॉरी फिर से प्रॉब्लम हुआ, मेरा म्यूट हो गया था. कब से पहले से म्यूट है कि अभी म्यूट हुआ? ओके ओके ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम. सो द टुडेज टॉपिक इज premenstrual syndrome. What is PMS? It's a psychoneuroendocrine disorder of unknown etiology, often noticed prior to the menstruation. It's not related to any pathology and symptom-free period during the rest of the cycle. Why this PMS happens? It is due to altered estrogen-progesterone ratio or decreased progesterone value. It may be due to decreased serotonin during luteal phase, or it could be the psychological and psychosocial factors. How the PMS patient present to you? The most common affected age group is 30 to 45 years. Between 30 to 45 year age old group patient present with these vague complaints. It's a mainly because of hormonal changes. There is a fluid retention. So patient complaining just before the menses. There is an increase in weight gain, abdominal bloating, breast tenderness, heaviness, and the swelling in the extremities. They may have the mood changes like irritability, depression, anger, anxiety, headache, increased appetite, etc. Or it may lead to fatigue, insomnia, and the dyspareunia. So, these are the typical weight complaints present typically just prior to the menstrual period, and the common age group affected is 30 to 45 years. How will you treat? Because no investigation is required, it's just a psychosomatic disorder. It by the history, just you clear that it's typically prior to the menstruation, then other 20 days are no symptoms. So, advice for assurance, because you have to assure that it's a not disease, it's a just age related changes. So, give the assurance yoga, meditation, and the stress management. Soaked 5 to 6 almonds in the morning. This is the beautifully published scientific paper in the treatment of PMS. Because the almonds contain some phytonutrients, so soak 5 to 6 almonds in a water at a bad time, and then next day morning remove the cover and chew that 5 to 6 almonds. Ideally to be done 15 days prior to the menstruation, or they can eat regular base. So it is a very useful to relieve the PMS. If the patient have the depression, anxiety, insomnia, then you can give the tablet fluoxetine, that is the serotonin stimulator, 20 milligram at a bedtime. If patient wants contraception also, then for it is mainly because of disturbed estrogen progesterone secretion ratio. So give a proper amount in the form of oral contraceptive pills for 3 to 6 cycles. Also helps to relieve the PMS. You can give the multivitamin. The best treatment, multivitamin for women for typically relieve the PMS, is available in the market is tablet Premens Plus from Mere Biotics. So it is available whole over the world mostly. It is OTC drug in the America, London. So tablet Premens Plus also freely available in the India. It's a very good content of all the please mute yourself, causing very disturbance. So tablet Premens Plus once daily for 3 months. It's a very good from my clinical experience. Premens Plus 1 BD for 3 months. 70% relief in the symptoms of PMS. Tablet Alprex at a bedtime to relieve the insomnia. So this is the basic treatment for the PMS. Then the perimenopausal. Yeah, please. बोलिए. नहीं, अलग अलग देंगे, अलग अलग देंगे. देखिए, टैबलेट अल्प्रेक्स है ना, दैट इज यूज्ड फॉर इंसोम्निया, और वो सब ऐसा होता है कि नींद नहीं आती है, रात को खड़े हो जाते हैं, तो एज ए माइल्ड सिडेटिव यू गिव द अल्प्रेक्स. और फ्लूओक्सेटिन स्पेशली गिव टू इन द डिप्रेशन. सो मूड स्विंग होता है, डिप्रेशन होता है, तो उसमें यू विल प्रिस्क्राइब द फ्लूओक्सेटिन, और फॉर इंसोम्निया प्रिस्क्राइब द अल्प्रेक्स. और सबसे बेस्ट मैंने बोला कि ओनली जस्ट गिव टेबलेट प्रीमेंस प्लस वन ओडी फॉर 3 months विथ सोक्ड आलमंड्स. दिस इज द टाइम ट्रस्टेड ट्रीटमेंट एंड आई एम यूजिंग सिंस लॉन्ग. I had never write the Alprex or fluoxetine to any woman, because suppose Alprex and fluoxetine is work only for till you give, so it is not corrected for it is not the treatment, it is only the symptomatic part. So best treat to this PMS is good multivitamin that contains adequate amount of all the vitamins, along with this soaked 5 to 6 almonds chew in the morning is the best treatment for PMS. And I had got very good results with this. Okay. Then we will discuss the perimenopausal symptoms. What is perimenopausal symptoms? It's a climateric stage when the menstrual cycle is going to cease or irregular. So menstruation, ideal menstruation time is 45 to 55. So 10 days before 35 to 45 is termed as a premenopausal age group. And afterwards 10 years 55 to 65 may termed as a postmenopausal. So whole this age group is termed as a perimenopausal age group. उसके आगे पीछे वाला जो पीरियड है उसमें डिफरेंट वेक कंप्लेंट्स होती है. सो उसको बोलते हैं पेरीमेनोपोजल एज ग्रुप. हार्मोनल चेंजेस, FSH एलिवेटेड. कितना FSH होगा देन यू विल टेल दिस पेशेंट इज इन मेनोपोज. If you patient wants to confirm that she is in menopause or not, how will you confirm that? Anyone have idea? What is normal FSH-LH level in the reproductive age group? Basic FSH-LH level कितना होता है? डॉक्टर अभय, आपने तो अभी मेरा लेक्चर नहीं अटेंड किया, आधे घंटे पहले. हेलो, आई एम ऑडिबल? डॉक्टर वाण नहीं, वो तो आना चाहिए ना. मैंने बोला ना कि वो आएगा तो ही आप आगे बढ़ पाओगे. इसमें इतना बेसिक तो आना ही चाहिए. सच में मैं बोलती हूँ कि वो इतना बेसिक है ना कि वो तो याद आपको रखना पड़ेगा. नॉर्मल FSH-LH बेसिक यार 1.228 नॉर्मल होता है. तो व्हेन FSH मोर देन 40 इट इज टर्म्ड एज ए कंफर्म केस ऑफ मेनोपोज. उसके दो क्राइटेरिया है. मेनोपोज, पेशेंट मेनोपोज में आ गए, आप कैसे बोलोगे? कॉन्सेक्यूटिव, हाँ, कॉन्सेक्यूटिव 1 साल तक मेंसेस नहीं आता है उसको हम मेनोपोज बोलते हैं. और if there is a FSH more than 20, that means patient is going in the menopause age group, and more than 40 is the confirmed case of menopause. Clear? And serum estrogen is decreased due to estrogen steroidal hormone decrease from the ovary. It also because the calcium supplementation and vitamin D in the woman are from ovaries. So due to decrease in estrogen, the bone mineral mass is also reduced. So patient are predisposing for the osteoporosis. There is a change, different changes in the menstrual patterns in premenopause, abrupt cessation या gradual decrease या excessive bleeding. Patient may present with this, and this termed as a DUB that we already learned. Perimenopausal patient in this age group will typically tell there are vasomotor symptoms, hot flushes, palpitation. एकदम से रात में मैम नींद में से खड़ी हो जाती हूँ और कुछ ऐसा लगता है कि कुछ बुरा होने वाला है. दैट इज कॉल्ड हॉट फ्लशेस. सिवियर विंटर में भी एकदम रात में से जग जाते हैं और पसीना पसीना हो जाता है. दैट इज कॉल्ड हॉट फ्लशेस. धड़कनें बढ़ जाती है कि मैं अपनी धड़कन फील कर सकूं. दैट इज कॉल्ड पल्पिटेशन. So hot flushes and palpitation are very common symptoms of perimenopausal age group. Patient may have dysuria and the dyspareunia. Treatment same, lifestyle modification, yoga, meditation, calcium and vitamin D rich diet. If you want to give the treatment, give the natural phytoestrogen, that is isoflavone. Good drug, I am giving to you this name, that is tablet Femaril from Svizera company, that contains the natural phytoestrogen. This product is made in the Israel but it's a very good, wonderful results to relieve the perimenopausal symptoms. So I'm using since 15 years and it is very trusted. So that's why I'm recommending this. Tablet Femaril from Swizzera company, 1 OD. It's like a nutraceuticals. So patient can take for 1 year, 2 year, or it may be 5, 6 years. So you can tell the patient that you can take up to 4, 5 years. So it's a very good brand. If it is not relieved with this, then we may give the HRT, that is called hormone replacement therapy with estrogen progesterone, because estrogen progesterone is reduced, so we have to provide from outside. But simultaneously, it increases the chance of the carcinoma. So HRT we are using to relieve the symptom as a very, very last resort. Before that, suppose in my 15 years practice, I had hardly prescribed 1 or 2 patients to HRT. 98% they are respond with yoga, meditation, calcium vitamin D rich diet and with Femaril. और दूसरी ब्रांड देनी है तो मेनोपेज आईएसओ आती है, दैट इज ऑल्सो द आइसोफ्लेवन. So this completes the perimenopausal symptoms. Then the mastalgia or the breast pain. It may be cyclic or non-cyclic because many female patients are present with breast pain. It is cyclical. Cyclical is called PMS, and non-cyclical means not related to the menstrual cycle and also no pathology, but still patient have breast pain. Age more than 35, then mammography is advisable. Management, NSAIDs and tablet Premens Plus if it is due to PMS. It works, PMS, this Premens Plus works to relieve for both cyclical and non-cyclical mastalgia. Then the fibrocystic breast disease. What is that? It usually seen in the premenopausal. Patient have dull, small, थोड़ा continuous pain in breast, aggravating prior to the menses. और उसको लगते हैं कि ऐसे गांठ बन गई है before to menses. When the menstruation come, they all will gone. So it's called fibrocystic breast disease. Examination, ill-defined local or diffuse lump. But before any treatment, in all breast condition, I advise mammography is the must, because we don't know, we can miss the diagnosis. So always confirm with mammography, and if it's normal, then treat. For fibrocystic disease, NSAIDs, that is Brufen, Diclofenac, Naproxen, whatever. कैप्सूल विटामिन ई, कैप्सूल इवियन आती है 400 मिलीग्राम डेली फॉर 3 months. और सिवियर केस में वी कैन गिव द टैबलेट कैबगोलिन, दैट इज कैबरगोलिन, डोपामिन एगोनिस्ट ड्रग है, 0.5 मिलीग्राम वीकली फॉर 3 months. So it's a treatment for fibrocystic disease of breast. Then the fibroadenoma. Age group is 20 to 35 year. There is a uniform, firm, mobile, painless, defined mass seen like a fibroid. It's a totally benign condition, but mobile lump fill in the breast. But more than 5 centimeter FNSC means biopsy is must or removal is must. If it is less than 5 centimeter, it can leave. So it's about fibroadenoma. So these are the small cases that I had going to cover. I had done. Now you have any question, then can ask. Today is the last day of the course, so if you have any query, doubts, can solve your queries. Hello everyone. Dr. Vani, have any questions? ओके, डॉक्टर नीति, डॉक्टर अंकिता. हम्म. 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 नो 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 साइड इफेक्ट्स. मेमोग्राफी के क्या साइड इफेक्ट्स? नो साइड इफेक्ट्स. सो आइडियली व्हेन द एज ग्रुप इज मोर देन 35 तो मेमोग्राफी तो कराने की ही है. Okay, because we can buy the palpation, we may diagnose. Even as a gynec consultant, I am confirming that it's a fibrocystic disease of breast or fibroadenoma. By examination, I had confirmed the case, but I will never take a chance, because if in 0.1% we may miss the carcinogenic condition, that we had done the injustice for the patient. So, looking to today's scenario, mammography, any breast disease, अगर आपको लगता है कि या it is only mastitis है, infection है, then you can give the antibiotics and painkiller for 5 days, wait for 5 days, symptoms relieve हो जाता है तो कुछ कराने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. फिर इवन PMS में भी ऐसा कि पेशेंट बोलता है कि पेन होता है और रिलीव विथ मेंस्ट्रुएशन, फिर 15 दिन के पहले, तो देन यू कैन डू. बट व्हेन यू on palpation, when you find any type of lump, then mammography is the must criteria. Okay. Dr. Abhay. Hmm. 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 क्या वो नहीं पता चला? मैंने ऐसा कहाँ बोला? किसमें आप बोल रहे हो? हाँ 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 हाँ. मीन्स उसका ये है कि अगर पेशेंट सिवियर एनीमिक है तो यू हैव टू प्रिस्क्राइब सेम मेडिकेशन. बट अगर पेशेंट सिवियर एनीमिक है और आपने उसका हीमोग्लोबिन लेवल चेक नहीं किया और ऐसे ही मेडिसिन दे दिया, तो और समटाइम्स बिकॉज ऑफ सिवियर एनीमिया पेशेंट कैन गो इन द कार्डियक फेलियर. तो पेशेंट को अगर कुछ भी होता है तो एवरी ब्लेम कम्स टू यू एंड योर मेडिकेशन. सो ऑलवेज सिवियर एनीमिक पेशेंट है तो आप मेडिसिन देने का, बट साइमल्टेनियसली यू हैव टू ट्रीट द एनीमिया. इफ यू हैड नॉट करेक्टेड एनीमिया और पेशेंट गो इन द फेलियर, कार्डियक फेलियर कभी भी हो सकता है. सो इन सच केस, first give the treatment for anemia, simultaneous you can give this treatment. बट ऐसे ही 4 हीमोग्लोबिन है और आपने मेडिसिन लेके जाने दिया और कुछ पेशेंट को हुआ, देन एवरी ब्लेम कम्स टू ऑन यू. सो 8 से बिलो है तो पेशेंट को बोलने का कि पहले आपको ब्लड ट्रांसफ्यूजन करना पड़ेगा या आयरन सुक्रोज लेना पड़ेगा. एवरीथिंग यू हैव टू एक्सप्लेन द पेशेंट और रिफर टू द हायर सेंटर. इवन वी आर नॉट ट्रीटिंग दैट पेशेंट बिकॉज ब्लड ट्रांसफ्यूजन और कुछ करने के बाद ही, वरना पेशेंट को एनीमिया की वजह से दूसरा कोई कॉम्प्लिकेशन हुआ, सो दे विल ब्लेम ऑन यू. Okay, so today is the last day of our gynec course. So send your name in the group, whatever you want to write in the certificate. So within 2 to 3 days certificate, when the certificate will be ready, I will put it on the group, in the group. So you can then print out, and whatever you want hard copy, then you can print out, or you can keep for your record soft copy also. Okay. हाँ बोलिए बोलिए. हाँ बोलिए. ओके. मोस्ट वेलकम, मोस्ट वेलकम, मोस्ट वेलकम. मैंने सबको बोला हुआ है कि ऐसा नहीं है, इट्स नॉट लाइक अ मनी ओरिएंटेड कोर्स. ऐसा नहीं है कि आपने कोर्स ख़त्म कर दिया, बात ख़त्म हो गई. आपको जब भी डाउट है यू कैन सेंड मी द क्वेश्चन, बट ओनली बाय व्हाट्सअप, नॉट बाय फोन. सो आपको जो भी डाउट है तो आप अपना वॉइस रिकॉर्ड करके भेज दीजिए या लिख के भेज दीजिए. वेन एवर आई विल बी फ्री within 24 hours I will try to give the answer. Okay, so it's all open for all of you. So if you have any doubt, कुछ भी, अभी कैसा होगा कि आपने यहाँ पे सीखा है, फिर कभी ऐसा होगा कि आप क्लिनिक में बैठे हो तो कोई केस आएगा, तो तब आपको कंफ्यूजन होता है, तो यू कैन सिंपली आस्क द क्वेश्चन, बट इट विल टेक विदिन 24 आवर आई विल गिव द आंसर. और मैं तो ऐसा रेकमेंड करूँगी कि ये सारे लेक्चर्स जो भी पीपीटी है और लेक्चर्स वॉट एवर ये आप स्टोर कर सकते हो तो स्टोर कर दीजिए. तो जब भी आपको रिफ़र करना हो तो जस्ट फटाफट वहाँ पे से रिफ़र कर सकते हैं. और क्लिनिकली नहीं पता चलता है तो यू कैन सेंड द क्वेश्चंस और द क्वेरी, आई विल गिव द आंसर. Okay, so good luck all of you. So we are going to finish the lecture. Okay, finish the course today. So best of luck for you all of you for future. Thank you.